stretch and mobility flow by coming into our 90-90. Feel free to adjust, fingertips, no hands. See how it feels. If you can manage this, and this feels comfortable, and you have very great range of motion, go ahead and take a little swing through and return. Swinging and return. We're going to progress this range of motion into a kneeling position, pressing, squeezing the glutes forward. And other side. Try to engage the core. This is your W sit. We'll progress this even further by coming into a low lunge and returning. However you want to do this is up to you. I like to take pressure into the back toes, release to the knee, sit, come on back.